See the writing on the wall. All the same thing, all in and nothing at all.
Good morning people, welcome you all back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet. Another day, another ride. Right now we are in Nainital and that's the view of our property behind. This is called the Swiss Valley Camps and beautiful place. It's not in Nainital, it's in the outskirts. So it's about 15-20 kilometers from the main town of Nainital. So if you're new to my channel, you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So we're going to be riding to Lucknow today. Long ride, 380 kilometers. Should take us about 8-9 hours. We're going to descend down from the mountains and head to the plains, back to the heat. Stay tuned as we head back homewards. Last day of our ride today. Cheers. That's the Swiss Valley cottages here in Nainital. So that's the place we stayed last night. Swiss Valley Camp Resort, Beluklam, Nainital. I'm not sure you can see the number. So we're starting off from here. The time right now is 7:45. We have about 388 kilometers to cover to Lucknow. Hope to reach there before evening. All of us are leaving in batches. Some already left, some are leaving later. And we're all going to meet up in Lucknow. This is the tricky approach road to the resort. And I have the issue of the side stand sensor. It was a chill morning today. When we woke up, I woke up by 5 a.m. Beautiful sunrise here in Nainital. The sun is up already. and we have a hot day of riding. I think it's a right here. Check out the mountain ranges of the Himalayas. I hope you like the drone shot I just shot in the morning. Check out the twisties on the map. It's like left, right, hairpins all day long. We need to do that till we get down to the plains. I have, I think, a full tank of fuel, so should be good to reach almost Lucknow. I need to top up just before I'll just fill a bit, as I'm going to transport the bike back to Bangalore. I'm not riding all the way back to Bangalore. From Lucknow, at Lucknow there's a truck waiting for us, which will load all the bikes and take it, and we take a flight back home. Tomorrow evening we should be home. Oh shit, I think that's the wrong turn. My map was showing straight. Yogi is saying it's right. I'll just follow him.
Hiding under what I do, so hard to
check out the nice river on this bridge. Beautiful, this whole Himalayan range. Any state you go to, it has its own charm. And Uttarakhand is special. Definitely special. So that's Yogi on his Sam 15 GS, I think, 850 GS. People doing yoga early morning. Nice. So we're back to Lucknow, where it all started. Like afternoon, I was the first one to arrive to the hotel. Check this out. I was the first one to reach the hotel. I think I reached around 1 p.m. Did non-stop ride from Nainital to this place here. We are staying at Casa Al Hashabag in Lucknow. So we're going to load the vehicles and send the bikes today, and tomorrow we head to Bangalore. We have a flight tomorrow afternoon. So that's about it for this vlog. Hope you liked watching my entire Uttarkand series. Today is the last ride day. Tomorrow is just a flight back home. So thank you very much for watching this entire series. Hope to do more such rides. So until the next one, stay tuned and do show me a love by giving me a thumbs up. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So until the next series, it's goodbye time. Sayonara, adios, and goodbye.
When the lights go out.